Black's challenge here is to make a living shape. If you're more experienced, you should know that the only moves are probably this or this. And the correct move is this one. If white destroys this eye, black can live like this very easily. If white comes in here, it takes a couple seconds to realize that number 2 actually cannot escape. Black can make this eye here, and no matter what white does, number 2 is cut off. Now black can throw in and play this connect and die shape for white. So number 2 is basically trapped in here after coming in. And that is why 1 and 3 can guarantee black's success. Other moves would be wrong. If black plays here first, white can come in, and black must take care of number 2. And this will not be enough. If black ignores number 2, then white can bend here on the first line, and number 2 will be able to connect back like this. And what's left of black's eye space is definitely not enough. If black connects here, then it's pretty easy for white. This way, it's a dead shape after 4 and 6. There might be some other moves that you can try, but white can just come in like this and destroy black's eyes. What about this one? I think this one, white can come in here, threatening to cut off black, and this way black will still be dead because white can connect here on the first line. Black will want to cut it off. The eye space is already not enough. So the only correct move is right here, this tiger's mouth. And you have to know how to catch white in a connect and die by doing the throw in and capturing these 3 stones. So I think that's the key takeaway here. Feel free to try some of the other variations on your own and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.